Supervising infrastructure integrity with drone, safer and more precise. Did you know, globally each year, hundreds of engineers lose their life conducting maintenance on bridges, power tower and skyscraper. They need to mount hundreds of feet in the air, sometimes regardless of the weather condition, to run a diagnostic on cracks and other signs of damage. But now, drone technology is revolutionizing how we maintain our infrastructure. Back then, to conduct a thorough check of a 500-meter bridge, the engineering team needed 2 weeks of constant work, setting up scaffolding, renting vehicles and waging their life. Yet, in our modern time, a single drone could conduct the same protocol in less than 2 hours, taking thousands of high-resolution images so that no one's life would be endangered. It does not end at safety. Drones also bring a much more accurate diagnostic of our infrastructure. The human eye can often overlook minute detail, but the 4K camera on a drone can easily identify crack with a width of 0.1 millimeters. Thermal sensor on a drone can spot abnormal region in an electric circuit, and the rumble sensor can check on infrastructure integrity. With all of the connected data being digitalized for artificial intelligence to analyze. The real-life application of drone within Vietnam is very diverse. Drones allow for supervising high-voltage power line without cutting electricity, checking road safety in hazardous weather, and monitoring safety of a 30-story apartment complex. Even checking on anti-corrosion seawall in central Vietnam. The important factor to consider is early detection of damage. Instead of waiting for an accident to occur, drone helps it realize problem prematurely, resulting in reconstruction fees standing around thousands of dollars, instead of millions when an accident actually occurs. Of course, drone technology has its challenges, namely natural factor, political factor, and physical factor. Bad weather will always render them unoptimized for flight, and they require a skillful pilot to navigate. The software and hardware requirement to analyze information is hard to come by, and also, politically, Vietnam is very strict on drone usage in urban areas. But the benefit commercial usage bring heavily outweigh its challenges. Funding will be cut by 70%, time management will be 80% more lenient, and safety will be increased by 100%. There would not be a need for engineers to risk their life. There would not be any more news of fatality due to infrastructure inspection.